everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of the Greek festival dishes. Today's dish is a famous dish. It's souvlaki. We are making today pork souvlaki and we'll grill it outside. So it's going to be exciting. Let's start. My ingredients today are boneless country ribs. And it's well known to use tenderloin, but this tends to be dry. We tried it and we found it dry. So this has more fat and meat, and it's a good balance for both of them. I have half an onion. I have 2 cloves of garlic chopped. I have half a lemon. My spices are salt, pepper, oregano, and I will add olive oil at the top. I'm going to cut 1-inch cube. My cubes are ready now. I'm going to put them in the Pyrex. Then I'm going to add the onions. Then the garlic. Then I'm going to add my spices. I will add salt, pepper, oregano, then lemon. Then I will drizzle a little bit of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon. Because we already have a lot of fats in the pork. Now I'm going to mix it. Then I will cover it and leave it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now my meat is ready. I left it more than 1 hour. The more you leave it, the more flavor you will have. I'm going to start with this one. The reason why we cut big onions so that it doesn't fall into the charcoal and burn. So I'm not adding onions to the skewers, it's just the meat. My souvlaki is now ready and I'm going to give it to my husband Alex to grill it outside.
Yassas! Welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Now we're cooking outside. So I'm going to put the souvlaki now on a hot grill. I'll cover the souvlaki and let them grill for just 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so after you've had like 1 or 2 sips of beer or 1 or 2 sips of ouzo, it's time to flip the souvlaki. Let's flip them over, cover it again. A little more time has gone by, 1 or 2 minutes. Let's turn them and check them again. We're looking for that sweet spot of 145. Looks like my souvlaki are done. You have to love the smell of the souvlaki because it has a very special smell. It's that's the lemon, the olive oil, and then the spices all coming together. It has a wonderful, unique aroma that just takes you back to Greece.
Thank you so much for joining me in my episode today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you like grilling your souvlaki outside on charcoal grill, and let me know in the comments below. And see you next time.